Good morning. On location today. The snow is not stopping Jenny and I. She runs Barn Door Blooms, and we're going to capture some action shots of her making some wreaths. She's going to be at Heirloom Market this weekend for a workshop, so check that out. And let's go see inside. Let's see. How awesome is that? There's Jenny setting up. Can't wait to show you these brand shots. Bye. On location today with Jenny with Barn Door Blooms. This is real life. This is what happens. Here's Gretchen. We're gonna get this shot.